Okay guys, so how are you guys today? So back again with another video. So today we are going to do a multiplication strategy. For those, this strategy is targeted to be to simplify the work without remembering a lot of multiplications. So basically we're just gonna do a few multiplication and then the rest is just adding and subtracting. Okay, so this is multiplying 19 and 21 by adjusting. Okay, now let's look at the first example. So as you see in the question, is about multiplying 19 and 21. So if you see this kind of question that is multiplied by 19 or 21, you can use this method. Okay, now let's say I give you a question which is 17 times 19. Okay, so 17 times 19. So what we do first is, if you see the 19 over there, you straight away do your first step, which is 17, and change it to the nearest multiple of 10, which is 20. So basically this step is just 17 times 2, then just add 0 at the back. So 17 times 2 is double, which means 34, then you put 0 at the back. So then you're done. But still we have another step to go. So the next step is, you have to, since you increase the 19 by 1, you increase the 17 by 1, because from 19 to 20 is plus 1, so you have to take away back. Okay, so meaning 17 times 1 equals to 17, because you increase from 19 to 20, so now you have to minus, you have to take away it back. Okay, you have to take away it back, so like normal. So 3, so 10 minus 7 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 minus nothing is 3. So done. Simple, right? You just have to know your times tables too, if only the question is 19. Okay, now let's look at another example. Let's give you guys another one, which is another question. Let's say, okay, 26 times 19 equals to how much? Okay, again, the first step, if you see the 19, the word 19, you automatically do the first step, which is 26 times 20. Again, it's actually 26 times 2. You double it. Okay, 26 times 2, you double it, meaning you will get 552. Then put 0 at the back, 520. Again, like I said, remember from 19 we make 20, so we increase by 1, right? So now you have to take away the 26. Okay, so 26 times 1 equals to 26. Then you minus, because you increase from 19 to 20. So basically you minus, so borrow again here, 4. So now you will get 494. As easy as that. See, no need to remember all multiplication, no need to do some partitioning or whatsoever. You just do like this. Okay, now I know it's a bit new to you guys. Now let's say I do another example. Let's clear everything. Now let's get back to the color. Okay, let's say another example. I give you 79 times 19. Okay, again, like I said, if you see the number 19, you straight away do your first step, which is step 1, 17. You change the 19 times 20, so it's actually 79 times 2. So 79 times 2 means it is 158. Then put the 0 at the back, 0. Okay, remember you increase from 19 to 20, so meaning you added another 79. So now the next step is 79 times 1 equals to 79. So since you added 1 just now, you have to take away back the 79, because it's the multiple of 79. Okay, so now you do the minus as per normal, and you will get your answer 1 here, 0, 5, 1. Easy as that. Okay, now I know you kind of think that this is a lot of work to do, but listen carefully. Once you get the hang of it, you will only be needing this step. Okay, sorry. Okay, you will only be needing this step. Then you would know how to minus afterwards. Okay, then you would know how to minus afterwards. Now let's look at another example. Okay, we did 3 examples of 19. Now we're going to do another example about 21. Okay, let's look at question with multiplication of 21. Now, I'm going to give you an example. Let's say, okay, 36 times 21. Okay, we don't want to go and do all the partitioning and whatsoever. So what we do here again, if you see 21 or 19, you do your first step, which is 36 times. Now you reduce it to 20. So meaning you have to add back afterwards. You don't add back 21, you add 36, huh? So now you multiply as normal. 36 times 2, which is double, you get 7 2. And you put 0 at the back, 7 20. Okay, now moving on, step 2. Remember, you added, you reduce by 1. So meaning now is 36 times 1 equals to 36. Now you reduce it, now you have to add it back because you reduce it just now. So your answer will be 6 5 7. As simple as that. Okay, as simple as that. Now let's look at another example. Okay, the next example would be, okay, let's say you've been given a bigger number, 236 times 21. Don't worry guys, don't worry, because it will be the same method again. Okay, first step, if you see 21, okay, if you see 21, you change your question to 236 times 20. So remember, it's actually just double the number. You know how to double, right? So 236, you double, you will get 472. You add 0 at the back. Done. And then your next step is, I'm sorry, I'm being too fast. So next step 2, remember, you reduce, so you have to add back the 236. Okay, 236, you have to add back, so you get 6 5 9 4. Okay, you have to get back this number. Okay, this is the method. This is what we call multiplying by 19 or 21 by adjusting method. Okay, it doesn't matter how big the numbers go, you can still use this method. Remember, if you see 19 or 21, then you just make it 20 in the middle here, then you just have to double. Okay, then you follow the steps. Okay, I hope that you can understand this topic. So this is the only explanation for this topic. So you can proceed with the worksheet. If you have anything that you don't understand, please come back to me and ask some questions. Okay, I'll be glad to show you more examples of how it is done. Okay, all the best guys, good luck.